this stripy sweater to tell you about National Sweater Day. I wear this itchy sweater because my granny made it for me.
Every winter, grannies all over the world give their grandchildren warm, beautiful sweaters like this. But you never wear them, even though you know it would make us so happy. Well, now you have no more excuses, because February the 9th is National Sweater Day. That's when the WWF asks all Canadians to be a dear, turn down the heat, and put on that sweater. But we know that some of you might forget. That's why we've got dozens of grannies standing by to call you up and remind you. Choose from a wide selection of grandmas, nannies, omas, grannies, and boobies. When I heard about the climate change, I thought, this is terrible news. If only more people would wear the sweaters that their grandmothers bought them, we could all turn down the heat a little and save some energy.
I'm not hanging up until you put on that sweater.
Molto importante, WWF, they're celebrating Lower the Heat Day.
If you don't wear a sweater, you will get sick.
Oh, stop being so ordinary and just wear the sweater. To sign up for a real-life quote, just go to our website on the internet. Then pick a granny that reminds you of your own. Or you can sign up a friend without telling them. Because we want to get as many people as possible to put on a warm, cozy sweater. You look so attractive and so well put together. Turn down the heat on National Sweater Day. Yes?
On February 1st to celebrate Sweater Day. But I would try to wear sweaters every day in the winter. I wear this sweater because it's itchy and it's warm. Sweaters to learn about the importance of saving. I wear this sweater to inspire me to use less heat all winter. I wear this big sweater because we use a lot of energy to heat our homes and schools. I wear this sweater from Yogi Bear Jellystone Park because energy is used to make heat and energy use impacts the earth. I wear this athletic sweater because energy use impacts the animals on the earth. I wear this pink Puma sweater because I want polar bears to keep their ice in the Arctic. If you want to learn more about why I wear this Under Armour sweater, you can read books. If you want to learn more about why I wear this gray sweater, you can watch videos. The Wickwire Green Team wants to wear the silliest, most colorful, or your favorite sweater on February 1st to help us celebrate Sweater Day when we turn the heat down 2 degrees. I wear this gray colorful sweater, and on Sweater Day, I will wear a sweater and donate.
All right, so on that note, we are going to celebrate this National Sweater Day on next Thursday. All right, so make sure everyone's prepared. Make sure you bring your funniest, your silliest, your coolest, your warmest sweater, because we are turning down the temperature by 2 degrees in the schools, so be prepared.
Get your sweater!